Right. And then now this is where I get very excited because these are cool integrations. We have that Google Sheet integration and the Quickbase table. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is the Google Sheet integration. We're actually going to configure our integration. So here, this is where you're going to connect your Google Sheet and then select sheet that you would like to use as well. And then once you do that, the steps are the same. We're going to configure the columns, set up the keys, and then name the table. And then I'll show you guys how it works. So here we're creating that integration. I already had an integration set up, so I'm just reselecting that. And then this is where you're going to be selecting which spreadsheet that you would like to use. And then you are going to select which sheet within that spreadsheet you would like to use. And it will auto-populate the columns there, but you do need to select what type of field types you would like to use for each of those columns. And then here, this is where I'm selecting my lookup key. So again, I'm just selecting my testing numeric column. So if it sees that it already has that same value within my testing numeric, it'll override that. And then I went ahead and named my new table, and that is it. So very simple.